Hey, good morning everybody. This is Harold with WorldTVOnDemand.com. Thanks for viewing my video. I just want to show you this one thing that's in your YouTube channel. If you didn't know it was there, you can come over here to your tools and come down to your subscribers, and these are your new subscribers. And what I like to do is when I get a new subscriber, I like to let them know that I appreciate them subscribing. So I put in a little message there and send it to them. It's just sometimes I get so backed up and there's so many people subscribing that it's hard sometimes to get to all of them. So I make a thank you message and I post it, and then hopefully they'll come back and watch more of my videos, which I hope you'll do the same thing, watch more videos. But you got to correspond and give feedback to your viewers to get more views and more subscribers. So this is just a tip from me to you. Correspond with your subscribers, let them know that you appreciate them, and that way they know that you're watching and that you know that they watched your videos, and hey, they will respond. Hey, there's a new one. This old outboard, you need to check him out. And that's it for this video. You guys have a fantastic day, and I'll have another one for you soon.